Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you are, I'd be really grateful if you could like and subscribe. And let's get on with the video. So today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken spring rolls. I'm just getting ready for Ramadan, which starts in a few weeks inshallah. So for this recipe I have got some chicken breast which I've cut into tiny pieces. This is around half a kilo, and I've got some carrots. I'll probably use about 4 carrots and I'm going to cut them finely. I've got some cabbage which I'm going to use about half, and I'm going to shred that as well. And I've got some mixed peppers which I'm going to shred and cook as well to make the mixture for the spring rolls. You can get the spring roll pastry from most Asian shops. Some Korean supermarkets also have it. That's where I got mine from. So let's get started. So I've just added a little bit of oil into my wok, and I'm just going to add in the shredded chicken to cook the chicken through first. So the chicken is starting to cook through, so I'm just going to add in my spices. So the spices I'm using, I've got here 1 teaspoon of salt. I have got around half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder. I've got a teaspoon of garlic granules and half a teaspoon of onion powder. You can add more or less to taste. So the chicken is almost cooked through, so I'm going to add my veggies now. So I grated about 3 carrots, I'm just going to add those. And also the rest of the veggies, the peppers and the cabbage. And then you're just going to stir fry for another 5 to 10 minutes. So I've cooked the vegetables for about 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook the vegetables, otherwise the cabbage will go soggy and that's not nice. So I'm just going to leave the mixture to cool for about an hour or 2. You can also taste it and add salt if you need to. It's important not to let the pastry dry out, so I've just covered it with a damp tea towel because they do dry out quite quickly. So I've managed to make around 20 spring rolls ready for Ramadan. I will put these in the freezer in bags of about 6, and then just take them out as needed and deep fry them for a few minutes on each side. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.